something they did like during COVID, where the SBA was giving a lot of self-employed individuals and businesses loans that were easier to qualify for, and they had very attractive interest rates and very long periods to pay them off. So I could see them doing something like that. Whether they're just going to give away free stuff, it sounds great, but it's not going to happen. And quite frankly, I don't even think the proposal about SALT, if the tax law under Trump were to continue, would happen, because that they would have to actually vote in to make those changes, and there may not be the votes for that if they want to keep the legislation and just amend it. The point that I'm trying to make, and I'll continue on some of these, is that there's a lot of noise and a lot of rhetoric. So the same thing I tell my students is that focus on what they're trying to do, at least from a professional standpoint. If you're concerned about some of the personal things, that's obviously important, but when we're talking about it as business owners, like I have to talk to my clients about some of the impacts of that. Like people are scared, oh, well, I heard that that if Harris were to get in, they're gonna tax what's known as unrealized gains. And what that would mean is that if you own an asset and it gains money, such as real estate or a stock or whatever, you would actually have to pay tax on it based on the value at the end of the year because it made money.